very little of, they say that only 10% of the gold in the world comes to you as a nugget. And I've met a lot of placer miners. Punk, punk.
Thinking.
Hey, boss. I got some stories to tell you, man.
Yep. Oh yeah, good stuff.
That was actually some really fascinating stuff about the gold and all that, just knowledge-wise. For example, saying some of those gold nuggets are actually valuable not because so much of the weight of the gold, but things like nuggets are really rare, they say. I was reading one of your guys' comments too. You seem to mention about the gun and you were saying to them, hey, it might be fun to shoot it and all that. I actually asked them if they would be willing to shoot it, I guess, just for a quote demonstration. I thought it'd be fun.
All kinds of things can go wrong.
It looks like a lipstick.
Usually they're just
Yeah.
So that's the power of it right there. That's a cartridge. So that's a 4570.
Right?
We got slugs for the
Pull
shotgun.
her off. It's just a slug, right?
Yeah.
Slugs.
That's the third time I fired a gun.
Is it?
Yeah.
These should be target slugs, so they're light loads. 2 3/4
Simon
target slugs.
They're all foreign to me.
Okay, so
Okay, yeah, give me crash course here. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. Hey, I like that one. That's a good gun.
no, Alan's coming up next.
What the?
Yeah, you are.
That's
yeah,
true.
you are. Try with that one. I felt confident with that one.
Be an American. Come on.
We will take over your duties.
What in the world did I get myself into? I did not sign up for this.
So are we filming this?
You want this on thermal the whole way?
Certainly is.
Okay. Can you convert back?
Oh no, so recording, this is a separate camera. This is a regular camera and this is a thermal
So
camera.
how do I tell where this is
You
in?
can't. I just use it based on like
Your experience.
Yeah. It's really wide though.
Such a pro. Yep.
You want me to hold one for you?
Absolutely. So what we can do is just go back.
Yeah, just into the embankment somewhere, you know, somewhere into the embankment there. And push it against your shoulder hard.
Yeah, lower the pocket now. There you go.
Video game.
There you go. Whenever you're ready to fire, pull the trigger.
Push it against your shoulder. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
Go ahead. Back.
Go on, cock it.
There you go.
Push it into your shoulder
That's
and
angry.
fire. Atta boy. Excellent.
Like you meant it.
Excellent.
No trespassers allowed.
New experiences. Hey! Yeah, how'd it go? Permits?
What did you talk with the Cattle Denning band about? Did you tell them that we had like a Canadian flag and all this stuff up?
No, I didn't tell him that. I said, oh, we've been cleaning up the place. It looks great.
So that we have to send them more pictures.
Mm-hmm.
They put stipulations to it, so Nicole's got it. And so one of the biggest stipulations is they need you to come out of the closet. They need you to put your rainbow underwear on around the flag and show we got our permit.
Oh my God!
That's fantastic, Mark. Congratulations, buddy. That's a long time coming.
Champagne! Champagne! We're celebrating.
Oh, I was saving that one.
I guess it's good for them.
Oh, yeah. Not again.
How you sort out all the kinks. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna have to.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Honorary first bucket.
Wait. Problem, guys. Hang on. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. That was some guys.
What a crazy day. So many first experiences for me. And that moose shot was insane in my opinion. Unfortunately, I still can't post that much because the upload speed is so slow. I'll work with what I can anyways.
Isn't it true that one drop of water can make a flower bloom? Isn't it true that one beam of light illuminates the earth? Isn't it true that one single rock holds an entire mountain range? Isn't it true that one deep breath can last a lifetime long? Believe in yourself, the bird it is beating faster in your veins at the right time, at the right place. You can change the world with your imagination.
Alright, see you guys later.